All right, let's talk about test automation for a second. It's one of those things that can drive you nuts, right? Especially if you're involved in any type of enterprise testing. I've had my share of tools that don't communicate, endless manual work, and results that always seem just out of reach. But what if I told you there's a way to possibly make your automation efforts simpler, faster, and a whole lot less frustrating? Would you try it? Meet ZAPTEST AI. It's an AI-powered solution designed to transform how you manage and automate testing from start to finish. Look, I know you probably have heard a lot about AI-based solutions, but this was designed by Alex Zapp, an industry leader who has been in the trenches of automation for almost, or if not longer, than I have. And here's the deal, ZAPTEST AI comes with Plan Studio, and from what I've seen and heard, it's probably going to be a huge upgrade to your current test case management. How? Well, picture this. You import test cases directly from tools like Jira or X-Ray. No mess, no drama, just clean, user-friendly organization. Suddenly, you're not drowning in spreadsheets or wrestling with clunky interfaces. Instead, you're sorting, filtering, and viewing test cases like a pro, saving you and your team man-hours and wasted time. And here's where it gets really cool. Plan Studio doesn't just organize your test cases, it optimizes them. Its AI-powered engine digs deep into your cases, identifying reusable elements like functional areas, input-output parameters, and repeated steps. Then it transforms those into reusable modules like your very own automation wizard working behind the scenes to make your life a whole lot easier. By the time it's done, your test cases are sorted, marked for automation readiness, and paired with reusable actions and parameters. Need insights? Snapshots and reports are just a click away. And I really like this because it could turn any chaotic process into really crystal clear organization. And then there's CoPilot, the ultimate time saver. This MVP doesn't just turn optimized test cases into execution, ready scripts faster than you could say, where's this been all my life? It obliterates the busy work. With AI-driven precision, CoPilot conquers object repositories, wrangles parameterized data, and crushes repetitive tasks, leaving you free to focus on the big picture wins. And to me, it almost makes me think of like almost having a superhero sidekick who handles the heavy lifting while you take on all the glory. And I know what you're thinking, trying out a new tool always feels risky. I always recommend you try things for yourself because every situation is unique. But with ZAPTEST AI, they have a crazy guarantee I haven't heard from any other software vendor. They have a 6-month, no-risk proof of concept that lets you explore, validate results, and see ROI before making any long-term commitment. So 6 months of worry-free testing. No pressure, no stress, just a chance to see what ZAPTEST AI can do for you and your team, and you could put it through the ringer, through your process, and see if it really can handle what you need and what your team needs. So why are teams switching to ZAPTEST AI? From folks I speak to, they tell me it's simple. Plan Studio makes test case management really effortless. And the CoPilot takes care of a lot of the automation grunt work with AI precision. And once again, the 6-month no-risk proof of concept lets you try it all without a single sleepless night. Plus, you also get expert assistant every step of the way to make sure you're getting the absolute most out of this platform. And also, ZAPTEST has told me using ZAPTEST AI, they've seen it cut costs and deliver, according to them, up to 10x ROI with minimal human interaction. But once again, what do you have to lose? Are these claims crazy? Well, try it for yourself. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if it really is a smarter, faster way to automate you and empower you and your teams to work better and deliver more. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link down below and start your journey with ZAPTEST AI today. The future of test automation, it's here and it's waiting for you. Check it out for yourself though. And let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.